So this is a question that you might get asked in the exam to write a simple Python routine. So I suggest that maybe the way that you might do this is if you pause the video and read the question and then have a go at writing this. And then when you're ready to look at the answer, then you can start the video again and hopefully the answer will be appearing for you. So the first thing to do for this is inputting a password and store it in a suitable variable. So seems like a suitable variable name would be password. And we're going to equals input. And you can say anything here really, enter a password. So we've done line 1. So again, if you want to pause and then have a go at the rest of it, do so. If the password is entered, if the password that's entered is equal to secret, then we're going to display the message welcome. So we need an if statement. If password is equivalent to secret, then we can print welcome, because that's what it says on the question. So we're just doing what it says. We're not adding anything extra. So we've dealt with that one. If the password's not equal, then it will say not welcome. So we can use an else, because if it's equal to that, then it is, but otherwise anything else is going to be an else. So print not welcome. So we've used meaningful variable names, correct syntax and indentation. So you can see that we've indented this bit here and they're lined up correctly for the if statement. These bits are lined up correctly as well. So that's our 5 marks. We've got them all by having the correct test and an if statement in there. So I'm pretty sure you found that one really straightforward. But if not, then go back and have another look at that one. The marking for this question, there are 5 marks. So 5 marks, there are 2 design marks. And those marks, the first one is for using meaningful variable names and the correct kind of syntax. So consistent use of meaningful variable names. So it's just variable names. So we've used password, which is fine. There aren't really any other variables in this, so we're fine. We've got that one. So then there's a mark. The second mark is for using a selection. That's an if statement, and we used an if statement, so we got that mark. And then there is a mark for getting the input correctly. There is a mark for testing this bit correctly, using the correct expression. There is a mark for the 2 correct messages printed out. So that's 3 plus the 2 we've got here, which is 5 marks in total.